Hi, welcome to the channel. Okay, got a customer's bike in. He's complaining about poor throttle response and lag. Tuono 660. We'll start with a plug-in, get some diagnostics on it, see what the problem is. Right. Okay. So, symptoms it's having is got engine management light, got a few alerts. As I flip the throttle, see if she wants to die. Throttle on. That's full throttle. Very poor throttle response. Right, let's get the computers out and see if there's anything that can help. Right. So I need an AP58. Okay, this is the code that's coming up. So this is related to the throttle sensor itself, but there's a few more things we can do to guarantee it. Okay, this is the parameter page where we can check various sensors throughout the bike. So I've bring up both tracks of the throttle to see how they're behaving. So as a close-up, look how track 1 is responding normally. So if I twist the throttle, you can see the numbers going up fluently. You don't want to see the numbers jumping, you want to see them going up, you know, in stages. So that's good. So track 1 is good. But if we look at track 2, it stays the same. It should be going up near enough the same numbers as track 1. So what this is there's 2 tracks on the throttle for safety. You've got track 1 and 2. It's more like a fail safe. So track 2 not working can cause problems. It's definitely looks like it's an internal problem. I'd say we need to replace this whole switch as one. Repairs ain't really possible because of the safety of throttles. If the wiring is damaged in any ways, just replace the throttle. You can't risk it. Okay, the good news is the local dealer had the part, so we're going to go ahead and fit it. Okay, here we can see the throttle wire running down into the frame. So there's like this plastic cover. So it looks like it heads to the front. We're going to have to do a front strip down by the looks of it. So I can really tell this is going to be, yeah, full strip down the front, and the plug connector should be hidden behind somewhere, maybe like the clock. Okay, there's 4 supporting bolts holding the plastic cover. I'm going to remove both on both sides to start with. Okay, next we're going to need the side panels off of both sides. Now these bikes can be really challenging to work on. You've got a lot of hidden bolts. This pot rivet is under that cover. You're going to have to take your time. Okay, that's what we've been looking for, the plug connector for the throttle switch. That's still wired in there really deeply. We're gonna have to channel that all the way out to change it. Okay, so we split apart that unit. It has about a dozen screws in it, so it allows us to pull the wire out. So I'm going to feed it out, feed the new one in, and then hopefully close this all back together. Okay, trust your diagnostics. Okay, I've secured the bracket that houses all the cables. Now would be a good time to plug in the computer, make sure everything's all good, and we can put everything back with confidence. So that's already good news. The permanent code is turned amber, which means it's likely to be deleted and removed from the system. If it goes green, it's deleted and it's no longer permanent. Okay, yeah, that's what we want to see. So why not let us check the parameters and see how it reads now when we operate the throttle. Look at that, both tracks are the same. That's exactly what we want to see. So there's no reason when we fire it up it doesn't run beautifully. Okay, let's get it back together. Right, you know you did a good job when the bench is empty and there's no leftover bolts. Okay, the bike's back together. Went well, looking good. Definitely hid that cable in really deep in the bike, as you could tell. That was quite a fair strip down. So we're gonna give her a test and see how it goes. Judging by the computer when we plugged it in, I haven't even started it after the job yet, but judging by the computer after, I'm expecting good results. Right, throttle response is way better. That's a positive sign in its own. Obviously we're going to test drive it and make sure everything feels good. Right, it's bloody hot here, so I don't make a habit riding a t-shirt, but hey. Only a short ride is going to be needed for this. She's punchy. That light looks pretty boring, so I'm going to go this way. No, we're going to take it out, man.
It already feels completely different, the bike. Definitely it fits. Got very decent power. Also surprisingly smooth for a twin. Okay, that's all I needed out of that test ride. Just making sure throttle response was nice and sharp and back to its best. So yeah, it's a pass.
Hi.